Welcome to Microbial Diversity Research Center at Dr. D.Y. Patil Biotechnology and Bioinformatics Institute, Thathavde, which is a part of Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pune. Our lab has been proactively involved in research and we have been presenting our work on national and international front. So far, we have published over 179 publications, including topics on antibiotic resistant strain, antivirulence strategies for pathogenic microbes, probiotic microbial strains, and many more. We at Microbial Diversity Research Center, in short Mdrc, welcome you all to know more about our center. So let's start from the beginning. Mdrc was established in the year 2013 under the expert guidance and initiative of Professor Neelu Navani, and now we are a team of 12 faculty members and 11 research personnel. Mdrc has backed several international projects, including project from Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency, Pharmas, Swedish Research Council, Indo-Tunisian project funded by DST, and many more. Similarly, national projects from DST, including National Carbon Sequestration Project, SERB project, Project on Waste Management Technologies, an industry collaborative project funded by DBT. We have a collection of more than 500 microbial systems, including bacteria, algae, fungi, and yeast. So far, we have around 132 publications, 5 patents, and 1 US patent. At present, we have 2 technology transfers, namely Biosmo-Trap, which is an air purifier system, and AvaPro, which is a probiotic formulation for poultry. We also have a consultancy project so far. Let's take a look at various instruments in our laboratory. We have a fluorescent microscope, which is generally used for COMET assay and other staining protocol, along with a compound microscope for routine microbiological work. An inverted microscope for examining the microbial cultures. A microfill microplate reagent dispenser with 96 well plate format based on high throughput screening. It is totally automated robotic system, decreasing the manual work. A microplate reader with a 96 well plate format, which is normally used for ELISA as well as other biochemical estimations. We also have a cold centrifuge, an ultra-low freezer, and a couple of laminar airflow systems. A voltammetry system for detection of ions and heavy metals. This system is routinely used for the bioremediation studies carried out in our laboratory. Along with a turbidimeter, we have the latest thermal cycler from Biorad for performing the polymerase chain reaction. A flue gas analyzer, which is an automated equipment with sensors to detect small changes in carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and sulfur oxides. The device saves the data and gives graphical index of all the pollutants. The lab is equipped with a lyophilizer for cryopreserving the cultures. We also have a gel documentation system. A UV visible spectrophotometer, a CO2 incubator, an orbital shaker incubator for routine microbial studies. Let's know more about the completed and ongoing research projects. A project on bioremediation of toxic metals and other pollutants for protecting human health and ecosystem was funded by Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency, and it was completed in 2014 with 8 publications, 2 patents and 1 US patent. The product which was developed was named Biometricis, which is a renewable low-cost biological adsorbent for removal of metal pollutants from water. Similar products such as Biometricis, which was for pollution cleanup, we had biohydrogels for increased water retention, and bioplastics, which was biodegradable plastics from microbial source. Another project which was completed in 2014 was on identifying novel biomarkers of COPD and designing innovative, preventive and therapeutic strategies for the benefit of Indian population. We have 5 publications and 2 patents out of this project. This project was initially funded by Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency. Presently, it is funded by BRAC for the period of 2 years. A renewable low-cost biological air purifier named Biosmotrap was developed from this project. This technology received a Gandhian Young Technology Innovation Award at the hands of Honorable President of India in March 2018. Biosmotrap is a kind of assembled filter made from waste material which can be fitted in vehicle exhaust pipe. Our research shows that it reduces 70% of black emissions. Thus, it has numerous applications not only for pollution control but also for personal protection, including masks, safety enclosures, cook stove filters, and so on. The next project on screening of lactic acid bacteria for characteristic human and plant probiotic properties was completed in 2018 with 3 publications and 1 patent. This project was funded by Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapith. A product known as AvaPro was developed which is a probiotic formulation to discourage the use of antibiotics and growth hormones in poultry feed. Presently, the product is licensed to Agro Innovations India Private Limited. Similar unique formulations with bacteria from Indian origin for healthcare related probiotic products are in pipeline. Another ongoing project funded by Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth is on management of biological waste generated on campus at Tathavade. We have one patent in progress. We have developed a product called Agastic, which is a biodegradable plastic-like biopolymer from laboratory agar waste. This agastic can be used for various applications including aesthetic products such as packaging films, packaging material, or biogels like air fresheners, water absorbing gels with fire retardation properties. All these products are completely biodegradable and nature friendly. Our institute had signed Memorandum of Understanding with Agro Innovations Private Limited for commercializing AvaPro and with De Novo Tech Mumbai for commercializing of Biosmotrap. The US patent, as mentioned earlier, is granted for a method for removal of metals from aqueous solutions using bioadsorbents. We have a collaborative project funded by DBT with Praj Industry with a total funding amount around 8 crores. We are performing high throughput screening of 20,000 microbial strains for selected target compounds such as butanediol, rhamnolipids, bacteriocins, and NPK solubilizers. At present, an automated high-throughput microbial culture screening setup has been developed at both the facilities along with skilled manpower. Screening of cultures for the 4 target compounds have been completed. Potential strains are shortlisted for future commercialization. A model high-throughput system for the screening of bacteria for industrial targets is set up for emulation by other institutes, and this system can be further used for screening of more industrial targets and bacteria. Here is an overview of the research grants and collaboration by Mdrc. As mentioned earlier, a national award was received at the hands of Honorable President of India for the innovation of multi-purpose low-cost biological air purifier to students Mrs. Neeta Wagle, Ms. Preeti Yewale, under the guidance of Dr. Neelu Navani. Presently, a project on segregation and management of laboratory wastes from resource recovery and value addition has been sanctioned by DST to Dr. Viniti Vaidya and Dr. Neelu Navani in association with Agro Innovations Private Limited. This project is under DST's Technology Development and Transfer Division. The total funding amount is 50 lakhs. To sum up this story, we at Mdrc are continuing to grow by leaps and bounds in the field of innovative research and its applications. We are grateful to Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth for supporting our enterprise and vision, and we are sure to continue in our research endeavor. Thank you.